For decades, the ERP functioned as a passive filing cabinet. It stored information in static tables and waited for a human to perform every reconciliation and pivot. In 2026, those tables are becoming active. SAP, Oracle, and Workday are currently spending billions of dollars to integrate autonomous agents directly into the accounting core. These systems are designed to operate without waiting for human prompts. These agents live inside the corporate subledgers. They have moved from storing historical data to executing live financial logic. Digital workers now read vendor emails, process multi-step workflows, and adjust forecasts in real time. They handle the execution that used to require a full accounting department. Controllers and FP&A professionals who spend their time on manual data entry or spreadsheet manipulation are seeing their specific tasks automated. Algorithms can now perform these functions for a fraction of the previous cost. These capabilities are already live in modern ledgers. For a CFO, surviving this shift requires selecting an operating system that can govern these autonomous agents effectively. SAP, Oracle, and Workday have each deployed specific technical tools to capture this autonomous market. SAP has integrated its Joule engine to function as a proactive transactional agent ecosystem. Historically, SAP automation required perfectly structured data. Their new agents can now process unstructured inputs, such as messy vendor PDFs or complex cross-border e-invoicing errors, to populate ledgers automatically. Oracle has responded with its EPM Cloud Planning Agent. Their focus is on building a self-operating enterprise, where the system handles its own maintenance and reporting. This agent scans billions of operational metrics to run continuous time series forecasting. It identifies cost anomalies and drafts the narrative commentary for board packs before the finance team starts their day. Workday's adaptive decision intelligence is designed to eliminate the need for offline Excel models and shadow IT. Executives can model the financial impact of shifting thousands of global roles using plain English queries. The system calculates the margin impact and commits the data to the corporate plan in minutes. These platforms represent distinct strategic environments. A CFO must choose between the transactional depth of SAP, the predictive reach of Oracle, or the strategic agility of Workday. This matrix shows how the three titans perform across the four core pillars of finance operations. SAP maintains a lead in accounts payable. Because it processes the backend for the majority of the Fortune 500, its agents handle three-way matching and price variances natively within the S/4HANA core. Workday leads in financial planning and analysis. It removes the lag associated with data wrangling by connecting CRM and HR data directly to the ledger for instant scenario modeling. Oracle controls treasury and cash flow forecasting. Its unified database infrastructure allows it to pull event streams from global receivables to generate precise rolling forecasts autonomously. The month-end close is a tie. Both Oracle and Workday utilize agents to auto-suggest journal entries and clear intercompany balances, which can reduce a 2-week process down to a few hours. Since no single platform is superior in every category, the choice depends on where your specific operational bottlenecks are located. To select the right platform, you have to align the software with your business architecture. SAP is the undisputed standard for massive global conglomerates dealing with heavy asset management and complex physical supply chains. Its agents see manufacturing and procurement data that other systems cannot access. Oracle is suited for data-heavy enterprises that require predictive security across hybrid cloud environments. Workday is the choice for service-centric organizations where human capital is the primary driver of the margin. It couples workforce planning with the financial ledger with very little friction. Deploying a platform that is misaligned with your core margin driver will likely create architectural friction rather than efficiency. This wave of software development is focused on reducing labor overhead and increasing the speed of corporate execution. Tasks like downloading CSV files, compiling data, and running manual reconciliations are being automated by software that costs significantly less than a human analyst. Digital agents work continuously and can complete a week's worth of accounting logic in seconds. High-value work is shifting away from data organization. Professionals must now focus on the strategic execution of the insights these autonomous systems reveal. Leadership can prepare for this transition by executing 3 specific structural plays. First, audit your foundational data structures. AI agents require clean data pipelines. If they are deployed into fragmented legacy ledgers, they will likely accelerate existing operational errors. Governance must be established at the primary data layer. Second, run phased workflow automation pilots. Avoid the risks of an overnight platform overhaul. Pick a high-volume bottleneck, like intercompany reconciliations, and run an AI agent pilot for one close cycle. This validates the accuracy and the actual time savings before you scale. Third, shift your team toward governance and exception handling. Train your staff to oversee the fleet of digital agents and translate their projections into competitive advantages. Implementing AI without a clean data structure is a major operational risk. Choose your tools based on your architecture. Which platform is your team looking at this quarter? Leave a comment below.